What's going on, everybody? Today we back again with another video. Today we're going to be discussing 5 great prompts that you could use using ChatGPT that will boost your SEO and just take it to a whole nother level. And before we get started, guys, make sure you subscribe, like this video. Let's get to it. All right, so these are 5 great prompts that I found to be super useful in my SEO work. Definitely to be able to get rankings and to just generate great content, guys, easily. Okay, so let's get started. So one of my first methods, I'm gonna just take you through the methods I use in an order. What I usually start with is basically coming up with keyword ideas. So you can use ChatGPT to generate you keywords. Okay, so let's take, for instance, right, 10 keywords. Words. And I'm just going to be using for this recent business I'm helping as a lawn service. So let's see here. For lawn. And this thing does it and it's so quickly. Okay. And now using these here, I could also help my clients in all of these areas when we're creating pages, when we're creating different content for them. So these ideas with this content with just the keywords by itself basically branches off. You can use this list and branch off into using this in multiple other facets and areas. Okay, so the next prompt what we'll be using, so you can use this, of course, like I mentioned, any keywords, any ideas. You can play around with the prompts, but this is the main prompt that I use. Okay, so what I usually do, as well as I do topic ideas. Okay, with those keywords I could break down different topics. So for instance, generate, let's see, 5 topics for fertilization. Okay, if I could spell that correctly, huh? Look at this. And now what does this do for your SEO? Takes it to a whole nother level, guys. When you're doing SEO for your different clients, this makes it so simple for you. Okay, and especially if you put your human input in on this, it's limitless, guys. This by itself is a powerful tool. So just know that you could do some major stuff using this in your SEO to get high rankings. Okay, just for topics alone. Okay, I've ranked pages with just the ChatGPT content, no plagiarism, anything like that. Of course, we do have methods that will help you not get plagiarism, okay, in your content, and we are going through those here shortly. So definitely stay to the end of the video so you can see these different methods here. So with those different topics, let's branch out now. Okay, let's take those topics and let's start seeing what kind of content we can create for our clients using these type of topics, and branching off using ChatGPT to generate us an article. Okay, using that for article generation. Okay, so the next prompt that I love to use, this is all in step, guys, how we do this. The next prompt, okay, is this, and this helps with not getting any plagiarized articles. Okay, if you just get an article from here, put it in a plagiarized system, it's going to pop up plagiarized or AI content, something like that. This is the secret. Okay, let me show you. Now, out of those topics, generate an article outline. about. And then what I also noticed as well is putting quotations around your topics help. Okay. Outline, guys. And you could also break that down into telling it how many paragraphs and sections you want. Let's see, with 3, with 4 sections, with intro, introduction, and 4 sections with H1, H2 tags as headers for each section. And using that word outline, the outline is key, okay? Because now I'm going to show you that 4th step on what we use for our SEO content. And look at this. Look at this. All of this. Look at that. Got our sections, everything. Okay. Brilliant. Look how fast that was. Okay. Now, so this is key so you don't get plagiarized ideas, right? Plagiarized content. You do not want plagiarized content, guys. So what we're going to do here now for this next prompt. Now, what we're going to do now that it has this information, if you don't know, ChatGPT can build upon your conversation. It builds upon what you already have used as input and output. So now it has that as output. Now watch this. Write paragraphs for each section with at least 2 paragraphs each. Look what's happening, guys. It's breaking the outline down, right? Look how it does it. And this is key. This is how we generate SEO. And this is just one trick. You know, it's just the basic 5 prompts. Okay, I'm gonna be putting out more videos showing you exactly how we could use this, and definitely use this and generate different types of content, multi-purpose in our content, different things. This is just one method. Okay, I'm gonna be going through and showing a lot more. So definitely, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe. You want to stay tuned. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the last step on what we use ChatGPT for. Once we have our article here furnished, we'll be able to take this article, plug it in, right? And then I'm gonna show you exactly how we make this even more SEO friendly. And it does it all quickly. It does it all. You see that? So we started with the keyword. Okay. Went into the topic ideas from those keywords. Right? Wrote the outline. Wrote the article. And now I'm going to show you the last part. So now that we have our article, we have our topics here. Which these will be H2. Okay. These are, you format it how you need to. But this is a complete article. Okay. Now, so we'll take that article and the last step. This is the last key when you're creating SEO content using ChatGPT. This is another method. This is how you get your rankings. Okay. Now, from the article, generate an SEO friendly meta description. This is secret. I don't even share this stuff, but I'm gonna share it here. Okay. Now, generate the meta description from that article. Look at this. And when you take this and plug that into your back part of your website, I'm telling you, the rankings are phenomenal along with this article. And this is just this is one article from one topic, from one keyword. Okay. So we started with one keyword. Out of that keyword, we created 5 topics. So we still could write 5 other articles, right? For this one topic. Out of that, create your outline. And even with the outline, you could do other things with this. I'm going to show you all too later in future videos. So you create your outline. Then from your outline, you create your article. And from your article, you're going to create your SEO meta description. Okay. I'm going to leave everything here, all the prompts, everything in the description below. Definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, I'm telling you, definitely be sure to subscribe. Check the description for those prompts. Make them your own. Definitely share and comment any other prompts that you have found that are helpful. Definitely share those in a comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.